Welcome back. We're getting a breaking update where the centre has told the Delhi High Court that substantial steps that have been taken in the case regarding violence on the 26th of January, where nearly 43 FIRs that have been filed by the Delhi police against various people and 13 cases that have been now been transferred to the Delhi police's special cell. UAPA, that is Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, that charges will now be invoked against the accused. We're getting to know that the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta has told the court that even seeks for justice. The forum there, which tends to incite trouble and unrest in the country, will also be booked under the UAPA. The PIL we're getting to know for now that has been dismissed by court. We'll be getting Nalini for a quick update on what has been said so far, the grounds that have been given by the Delhi High Court on the same, where the centre has been telling the Delhi High Court that substantial steps that have already been taken in the case by the Delhi police regarding the violence that happened on the streets of the national capital on the occasion of Republic Day. Now, what is also being said that the UAPA charges will be invoked against the accused, where 43 FIRs till now that have been registered by the police. Going across to Nalini now. Nalini, on what grounds this PIL has been dismissed?
Amira, this is a PIL that was filed before the Delhi High Court asking for an inquiry to be initiated. And although the petition has been dismissed by the Delhi High Court, stating that there was no locus of the petitioner and that the petition was filed immediately after the violence had broken out on 9th of January. But at the same time, in an important development, the centre has apprised the Delhi High Court of the steps that it has taken to ensure that justice is meted out to the police personnel that were harmed during the January 26th violence. So in that regard, we have told the Delhi High Court that 40 FIRs have been registered so far, and that they also plan on invoking sections under the UAPA, which is the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, which is very serious charges will be invoked against the persons who are found responsible for the January 26th violence. At the same time, they've also said that the banned organization Seeks for Justice is also likely to be booked under UAPA for their involvement in propagating and instigating the violence on January 26th. So, important development and important information coming in from the central government to the Delhi High Court during the hearing.
All right, Nalini, thanks very much for the update. So 43 FIRs that have already been registered by the Delhi police, and many of those people who have already been booked in those FIRs where cash rewards that have also been announced. Around 8 of those accused there, where the police is still trying to on a lookout to nab those accused. Thanks very much, Nalini. We're moving on to more national news.